everyone, it's me Sato from Low Cosplay, and today we are finally back after almost 3 months with a new video. And in this one I'm gonna show you how I made Obi Wan Kenobis Tunic from Star Wars Episode 3. And yeah, as always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. And without further ado, let's do it. So these are all the pattern pieces for Obi Wan Kenobi. So this is the back side, front strip, and we have the main belt and shoulder strips. Well, and this is the arm. This nice textured fabric is the one I'm gonna use for the whole Obi Wan Kenobi cosplay. Time to draw on the patterns, and a few of these needs to be flipped at the lines. So this is the front lower half. On the side of it comes the back lower half. When this is done, the front lower half gets traced on the other side again. All the long strip gets drawn on normally, and then the pattern gets folded in half and then added on the left and right side of the strip. You have to repeat this step once more for the other shoulder strip. The long front strip gets drawn on like shown. For the backside it's simply tracing it on, but make sure to add the armhole markings for it. The front gets the same treatment, just 2 times. And the big waistband will be made just like the first thinner strips. Here I'm tracing on the arm itself by tracing it 2 times by laying it together at the sideline, because the pattern is just one half of it. At the front maybe a 4" thick strip gets added that will be later part of the inner lining. After that, every piece got treated with overlock. I will start with the strips, and here you can see 2 lines on each side, which will get a guideline sewn on by hand. Damn, that was a sentence. The front strip just gets the middle marked. And of course the arm as well, where the extra added strip meets. After the markings are done, we can start sewing the strips together. Just fold it in half and sew along the edge. And also on this. Then this one too. Just make sure to leave the sides open for now. Now you just have to iron the seam apart. For the next step, fold the edge so that the marked lines are visible at the left and right side of it. We can then put everything inside out. This is how it looks currently, with the seam on the inside and the markings on the side. Now you have to iron everything so it will stay in place. This is how it looks now, and no, this doesn't get a top stitch because I want to reduce the visible seams. Just repeat this step for all the other strips as well. On the big main belt, sew the other side a little bit together so it will be easier to fold it later. Now we can start working on the main parts by sewing the back and front at the shoulder together. After this is done, you can iron the seams flat. Then I'm gonna attach the sleeve to it. Just make sure that the previously marked line is facing away. Now that this is attached, we can fold it in half and sew the arm and the side of the front and back together. Time to iron the seams flat again. Now you just have to repeat the step for the other side too. And now we can attach the main front strip to the main parts. Make sure that the seam allowance is facing to the strip and fold the strip at the marked line. In the end it will look like this, hopefully. Two of the previously made strips gets now sewn to the back at a slight angle so that it will fall nice over the shoulder. When this is done, I'm gonna attach the long bottom part to it. Just fold the marked lines on the sleeves inwards for the inner lining later. Well, this is the current progress. As usual, you can now attach the inner lining to the outer part. If you want maybe in the future a separate video for attaching inner linings, just let me know. Obi Wan has a small fold at the top of the arm, just fold it inwards, maybe a thumb thickness, and sew it on the inner lining so it will stay in place. It goes from the middle of the front to the middle of the back. In the end, it should now have the same width as the strip that goes over the shoulder. Quite nice. for the last and final steps here on the thick main belt on the back, so it will cover later the seam around the waist. And it's now time for the final review. So this was a tutorial. I know it's not good, but it's okay in my opinion. And if you want, you can leave a comment down below what you like, what you dislike, or what I can improve on this channel in general. Or maybe you have a cool idea what I can build next. Put everything down there and maybe I will do it. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because every subscriber counts and keeps this channel growing and the videos coming. And also, thumbs up is always welcome too. Or share it with your friends. Or your family. It's up to you. Please. And yeah, for the next video, it's maybe something from the anime Steins Gate or this. Yeah, it's Bionicle and it's coming. Yay. And until then, I see you in the next video. Have a great day and I'm out.